This is how you're going to downgrade your plan in Hostinger. So you should usually need contact support directly to downgrade or change your billing cycle. First step, you're going to log into your Hostinger H panel, and then from here, you're going to head over to billing right here at the left side section of your screen, or the section where current services are listed, and then you're going to look for an option to renew or change plans. So under the subscriptions tab, you will be able to see your subscriptions right here, and then you will be able to see the renew button right here. Now, if a downgrade option is available, you can just select it. So if you have a downgrade button right here, just beside the renew, you can just select it. But if a direct downgrade option is not available, which is common, you must contact Hostinger customer support via the live chat or ticket request to downgrade. They will guide you through the process of scheduling the downgrade for your next billing cycle. And that's it. That is how you can downgrade your plan in Hostinger. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.